You don't actually need to add any videos to Reels. You can use photos only. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Reels using only photos. So to make a Reel with just photos, you're going to go into your profile. So if you don't see this with your profile, you just click on your profile button here at the bottom, and then you go to plus, and you're going to make a new Reel. So I'm going to press Reel, and now I'm going to add these photos. But keep note that you can see this little circle in the corner right there. That means it's a live photo. So if I add live photos, I'm just going to add those. What's next? It's going to show up as like the actual live, and it's going to actually have like movement to it, so it's technically not really a photo. What I can do is I can actually go over and let's go back into my camera roll, and let's click on the photo, and then you can turn live off, and then let's turn live off here. Perfect. And then let's go back into here, and let's turn, which ones was it? It was these two? Next, perfect. And then with this, what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to add music and sync the music to it. But I don't necessarily think that's important with photos because this syncs, it's decent sometimes, but it doesn't always get it. You're gonna have to edit them anyway. So let's just skip for now. And I'm just going to go in here and I'm gonna add my music. So I'm gonna press the music button, and let's say I want this song. Perfect. So I have my song. Now, how do I edit these? Well, I'm gonna click on my edit video, and then it's gonna keep repeating like this. So unless I want it to stop, I'm just gonna press the pause button. So you can see the play button's gonna show now, and that means it's not gonna repeat it. And then what you can do is you can select one of them, and then you can shorten the duration. So when you're doing this with music, you see how the waveform is down here? When you see it spike, like it goes bigger, that means there's a change in the audio, and that is a good place to put a cut. So with this white indicator, it's going to allow you to move it right to that spike, and it's going to be more in tune with the music. And then your next clip, you can suggest however long you want that to be, and then you have your two photos as your reel. And then you can also add text to it. You can see like when I have it selected, the bottom here, it's only gonna have a limited menu, and it's gonna be a menu for what is available for this video. So I could like reorder it, change the order of these, or if I have it selected, I could crop it. So that means I can like actually go into it and like zoom in. I can like use my fingers to like even rotate it however you want it. Let's say done. And then when you have nothing select, this is where you can like add effects to the whole video. So I could add text, so hi. And so when I'm moving this text around, you see that yellow on the side? That just indicates that it's gonna be cut off depending on where it's gonna be viewed. So I wanna avoid that, and I also wanna avoid putting it higher than that top part or lower than this. So I can put it right here, say done. And now what I'm able to do here is I'm also able to adjust the length of that text. You can add multiple texts. So let's add text. There you go. Here's my other text. And let's say I want that first text to not appear. So I'm just gonna click on that text and adjust with those yellow indicators where it's gonna appear. So I have it appear at the beginning. I forgot that photo was gonna rotate. That is so fun. If you have a Reel question, please leave me a comment. I use these comments to generate video ideas for upcoming YouTube videos. And until next time, peace!